Hey all, today I'm here with Sebastian, Avi, and their son Sebastian Jr., and they're gonna give us a tour of their self-built truck, tiny home on wheels. Let's have a look.
We start on the outside, the battery department. One piece for the solar power, it's 24 volts, and one piece for the 220, and it goes via a 12-volt battery. It's an old system, but it still works perfectly if there's enough sun. Over here was a place for the wood storage, because we got a wood burner inside. The empty piece we used in France, because over there it was like -7 degrees. So yeah, we used the wood, and this is still yeah, spare wood.
Leftovers.
Leftovers. Inside here are the batteries for the truck. I kept the systems apart from each other, because yeah, truck has to always be able to start.
And the truck itself? What year and what the truck it is?
The truck is built in '66. I was fortunate enough to buy it from the previous owners. They imported it from Switzerland. It's a Swiss Army truck. Previous owners did all the mechanical parts. They made a big tour via Russia and a lot of different countries, like 35,000 kilometers. Then they sold the unit they had on, and yeah, I decided to put this tiny home on top. It was yeah, kind of easy going and affordable.
So how much was the truck itself?
The value from the truck was 7,500, so that was yeah,
Very nice deal.
very nice deal indeed, because the quality is really good.
It was all restored.
It was all restored. We can check maybe on the inside.
It's like new.
It's almost like new, yeah,
And
definitely.
how much horsepower it has?
It has, I think, 90 horsepower, and it is 8-liter 6-cylinder inline diesel with a lot of torque. Also power steering, so it's quite easy going, even though it's a big truck.
And what is the weight you have now?
The total weight, I think, is 8.5 tons, maybe 9 tons.
That's what you have.
Because the truck itself was let me think, also 7,500 kilos, 7.5 tons, and then I put the house on top and a large water tank inside and a little bit of diesel. Altogether it will be like 8.5 tons, and it's easy going uphill.
Yeah. All right.
We can yeah, we can look on the inside. Over here, beautiful new seats, also put in by the previous owner. One of the most important things is the seat for the little one. And we also installed a little cabin for the dog, so the dog is safe in here.
So the dog doesn't land under the pedals.
Exactly, yeah.
And the seat is installed on some kind of system.
It's the
Isofix.
Isofix system, yeah, so it's just on the back, and with this thing on the front is extra for not tilting.
Tilt.
Yeah. Here's our little dog, Bowie. Here's the dog. Dog's name is Bowie. In Spain we call it Perro Loco, but it's a really sweet dog. She enjoys the ride and the new places.
And he's always happy.
Always happy, always happy. Nice. Over here is the old diesel tank. Now it's empty. Can be in use, but we only use the new diesel tank. And it's like 150 liters. It takes us yeah, far. We drive 25 liters for 100 kilometers. So yeah, it's sufficient. And above is a spare tire. It's just a tire because in theory it would be possible to remove the wheel. It's made out of 3 pieces. So yeah, I say in theory because I have never practiced it. It would be nice to practice. I will definitely do it one day. Over here is gas tanks. There's one bottle still from Holland. We're still using that one for 2 months already. And another one from Spain. I had to sign a little contract and make a copy of the passport. And now I have the Spanish bottle. Probably would have been better to just install the LPG system because yeah, in a couple of weeks we will be in Portugal and then I probably need a different bottle again. So, but yeah, it works for now. The outside shower, it's easy because otherwise the water tank will be yeah, full very quickly.
Grey water tank.
Grey water tank will be full, so we just use the outside shower and the weather is perfect now. Showering with the view is nice.
Yeah. How do you heat up?
I heat the water up via this outside heater. I have to undo the elastic piece. And it's just gas powered. One goes to outside, another one goes back in.
And it's momental, like it goes through immediately. Heat
Yeah,
itself.
directly. Yeah, just put it on, put on the water, and we got the warm water. It's very nice, very nice.
And you build the stairs.
I built the stairs from yeah, recycled wood. At the beginning of the project, I actually wanted to do everything like new, but then I started recycling. So yeah, now a lot of things are yeah, used again, and it's nice because everything has like yeah, a story about it. These boards, yeah, of course, first came from Africa, some large trees, and then the previous owner used them, traveled all the way, Russia, all those countries, and now they're back here, and we use them as stairs. And it's really durable, of course, because yeah, it's like hardwood, looks nice. I attached the cabin with this L profile, and the L profile goes on the inside on the frame of the cabin. And just to be sure, I put this piece. The house itself I bought for I think 3,000 euros, but it still had the wheels attached. So this morning the crane came, he put it on top, put it on some beams. I dismounted the wheels, lowered it with the jack. It's all steady, and we came from Holland all the way here. Some bumpy roads, but
It's still there.
it's still there. It's still there. It's still straight up. Still no leakage. Everything's perfect.
Hi and welcome in our truck. This curtain helps to keep the flies outside, so that's very nice. And this is our bathroom, and we also freestyled this curtain for an experiment because we don't know what we're gonna do about this door. So this is our toilet, and it's a very tiny toilet, as you can see, but it's like a real one. And it's actually a boat toilet, so you can flush it with this. You put water and you put it up and then you flush. Yeah, it's very small, but it really helps to potty train our kids because you know you can flush down everything, and that's very exciting.
And you made it as a wet room. If you need, you can take a shower. Or
Yes, we can also take a shower, but we actually didn't do that yet. But we have a shower outside.
opportunity to.
Yeah, so we are clean. Don't worry. You know, we do shower, and now you know we use it as storage, or
Right.
and we wanna put a new water tank underneath, so we can take showers inside also when it's raining or whatever. Yeah. So
And this is for chimney.
yeah,
Right.
but I think it's on the other side also, so I think Seb can tell
Yeah.
better.
But this heats up as well, so
Yes,
it kind
so-
of keeps the entry warm. As
Warm,
well.
yes. And this is for protection, so the kids don't bump into it and don't burn themselves. And here we storage our shoes. At least we try. Sometimes they fall on the crate of our dog, and then she chews the laces. So yeah, I don't really have shoes with a lot of laces anymore, but you know, we love her, so it's okay.
And that is a dog house.
Yes, this is here. Bowie is sleeping in here because after a long day of, I don't know, playing and petting and being very hyperactive, I will put her here and then she will sleep for like 14 hours, so that's nice. And this is for his helmet and his gloves from our son. He put this himself, so he can always get them when he wants to go on his bicycle, because in France he went very fast downhill, so we decided it was time to buy him a helmet, and now he can get it himself.
And this is Sebastian Junior painting?
Yes. No, it's Monet, but it's like a wallpaper.
Okay.
And yeah, I really like the colors.
Yeah.
I think the name is La Corniche. Up here we have our skimboard and bodyboard. So yeah, storage for some fun toys. And over here we have a cardboard, so when it's rainy or we want to explain something, we can use it and draw on it. We hang our wash if we need it over here.
And you have a swing.
No, it's for the, you know, for some extra space so we can
Nice.
put.
Yeah.
We're the fireplace. We haven't used it since we entered Spain. It was very nice in France, but in Spain it's not needed anymore. So I found some nice boards. Also, yeah, like the second hand. Probably going to make another closet for some extra storage.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and yeah, easily demountable. So when we need the fireplace again, it's back working.
Yeah. And the kitchen.
So this is an IKEA kitchen with a 3-pit stove. Yeah, it's like super basic, but I can prep like super healthy meals here, so that's nice.
Since it was just like a regular IKEA kitchen, I had to adjust like a little hook to make it not fall out if you go on the rough terrain. Mostly just yeah, normal practical things. It works. In here, just install a little bit of extra because of the weight of all the yeah, all the food. A nice system to make
Organize
sure
the dishes.
to organize the dishes. Yeah, definitely. It all works. It's just convenient.
And the windows are recycled as well.
Windows were the original windows from the cabin.
Okay. Yeah.
From the outside, we can close it. So it's all steel and yeah,
Covered.
covered.
Yeah.
Got the little fridge over here. Yeah, works perfect. Behind here is the sofa, where the little one can relax when it's rainy outside.
But you actually can lift up the stairs here.
I can
right? So
yeah,
there's
I
more
can lift up the
space.
stairs and adjust like this. One is sufficient, but two is just to be sure.
Yeah.
And we can also get this table out and install the seats. And then we have a nice place to sit and eat with a lot of room.
Yeah. Multifunctional.
Multifunctional, and it's all an easy system. Not really expensive, but it works perfectly. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I was going to recycle the wood. The frame of the bed is made from the old seats that were in this house for the workmen.
Okay. And that actually is the junior's bed.
No, this is a family bed. We sleep
Family
up
bed,
here with
okay.
the three of us.
Okay, so this is a sofa and a storage.
Underneath is
Yeah.
storage, and
Yeah.
behind the sofa are the water tanks. One 460 liter water tank for drinking water and washing water and for taking showers, and another little 60 liter water tank to flush the toilet. It's a separate system.
So this is the bed. The mattress is 2 by 2 meters, but because of the wardrobe, it's a little less. And I'm not gonna open this because it's too chaotic. So we sleep here with the three of us, and we have a lot of space. You can actually like starfish in here if you are alone, so that's pretty nice. And over here we have a little window for some extra air. And over here we have a bookshelf for the little one, and his grandpa made this actually. And every night we can read a lot of nice stories, and this is his favorite about like a little koala, and it's a very fun story. When we want some extra view, we put this out, and then we can just watch outside and have a little bit sunshine. So that's very nice. We always have view because we are so high. So most of the time we look over other vans or campers. So yeah, then people want to stay with us and have the best view. So that's cool.
And what is the size of the cabin? The total?
Total size, I think it was like 4 meters 70 long, and then exactly 2 meters wide.
Okay. And how much you think you invested in the build?
The build started with the empty cabin.
Yeah.
Kostie.
There's the water tank. Ja.
Kos, kom maar.
Oh, lief kleintje.
Kom maar even
Is
bij
ook
me
heel
zitten en
klein.
heel stil zijn.
Ja, het ging nu weer over wat anders.
Allee.
De onderwerpen gaan snel, ja, het was een beetje te langzaam. He gets faster every day.
Oh.
Ja, oh, lief kleintje. So the build started with the empty cabin of around 3,000 euros, and because we recycled a lot of stuff, I think the overall cost would be like 4,500, something like that.
We try to stay low budget because we wanted to travel and not build all the time.
Yeah, have a long time vacation. I also had to get my truck driver's license, so that was another little bit of extra cost.
How long did it take you to build it?
I think the overall from start to finish was like half a year, but the actual building time for installing the things inside was around 6 weeks. It was mostly isolating and just putting it inside.
Thank you so much for watching. You can follow us on Instagram, Sour Power, that's us, and we will see you on the road. Bye!
Bye
Wil je nog zwaaien?
Zwaaien maar uit.
Doe maar zwaaien. Bye!
bye. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye.